Welcome back, friends, it's Anders. Today I am going to show you a fun celebratory cocktail to ring in the new year. It's an original I am calling the White Stallion. It's a very dramatic name, but once I explain to you how I came up with this drink, it will make sense. Now last year, I did a rendition of a cocktail called the Soleil au Champagne, which is an old classic, and that combines ice cream and bubbles. I really like the combination. So I thought I would do it again this year. Not the same drink, it's a new drink. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to make it. I'm gonna tell you how I came up with it. We will ring in the new year with a fun cocktail. I'll have Oz out here and that's it. So if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more sips, tips, and recipes. And let's go make the White Stallion. To the bar. Could have called it the Wild Stallion, like Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. Wild Stallions. Maybe I'm too old. Nobody gets that reference? Hello? Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, Wild Stallions. A reading from the Savoy Cocktail Book. I am on page 175, right at the top. The White Cargo Cocktail. Half vanilla ice cream, half gin. No ice necessary, just shake until thoroughly mixed and add water or white wine if the concoction is too thick. Now flip over to 148. Fourth cocktail down, Silver Stallion cocktail. Half vanilla ice cream, half gin. Fill with Silver Fizz. What's Silver Fizz? Silver Fizz is another gin cocktail made up of soda water, egg white, lemon juice, and a little bit of sugar. So you add a little bit of that cocktail into this cocktail and it makes it foamy, fluffy, airy, and it sweetens it up just a little bit. The way this is worded is a little confusing because it's a mashup of two cocktails, but stay with me here. The Silver Stallion and the White Cargo are both very interesting because at their core, they are very much the same, equal parts vanilla ice cream and gin, which is a combination that I would not expect. I don't think that's a very common combination, but it's a lot of fun, don't you think? Now, the White Cargo, I really like the addition of the white wine. I've had that drink, it is a bit boozy. I think that it would benefit from a little bit more sugar. As for the Silver Stallion cocktail, that one has a little bit of sugar added to it, but you don't have that wine flavor that I like. So I decided to mash up the two in a celebratory fashion because of New Year's Eve, and I'm calling it the White Stallion. White Cargo Silver Stallion, if you haven't picked up on it already. So you can put down your book. Now the booze. This is gonna be good. For the White Stallion, we will need a small scoop of vanilla ice cream, gin, orange liqueur, and champagne. The ice cream, this is just a small scoop. It's gonna be about 30 grams if you wanted to weigh it out. The gin, use a gin that you like. I've made this with a London dry gin, but I wanted something that was a little less of that juniper bitey. I don't know that makes sense, but the Plymouth is a little bit softer, adds a little bit of like citrus notes. It just works really well in the drink. The orange liqueur, I'm using Grand Marnier because it is rich, yummy, and this is that sugar that I wanted in the cocktail. If you don't have Grand Marnier, orange curacao would be great. You could use a triple sec, although you might find that it's not quite as sweet as you want it. Bubbly wine, yes. Champagne, because it's New Year's, you can use any dry sparkling wine, it's gonna be fine. It really is. I've got a flute in the freezer. Let's build. First things first, let's open up this bottle of bubbles. We should talk about this. I think every year we talk about this. We're gonna open up the bottle of wine so that it's ready. Be careful not to shoot your eye out. Release the Kraken. Keep an eye on that cork, 45-degree angle. Squeeze the cork, twist the bottle, and gently release the pressure. Excuse me, ready to roll. Now, in a shaking tin, we can go ahead and add the ice cream. I tried to let it soften up a little bit because the idea is we're gonna shake this with the alcohol. There we go. Now, add 3/4 of an ounce of gin and 1/4 of an ounce of your orange liqueur. No ice. Harry Craddock said no ice, so no ice. Put a top on it, and now we shake until it's cold and that ice cream is liquid. Just shake. I don't know how long, depends how hard your ice cream is. You can always check in on it. That looks pretty good, actually. Grab your chilled flute. Pour in gently your champagne, about a third of the way up the glass. For this flute, it's gonna be about 1.5 ounces of your champagne. We can always add more at the end if you need more. Now we can pour in very gently the ice cream mixture. I poured in about half of it. At this point, we can take a break, give it a little stir. This is not a cocktail we wanna rush. Once that's incorporated, we can start adding back more of the ice cream mixture. Once you get to the top, you're gonna see a lot of foam. Just be gentle. Kind of looks like a Ramos Gin Fizz or something. Little pillowy top, and there it is. Orange zest on top would be very good. I don't have any oranges here, but I think that would be good. We could do a lemon zest on top too. That would be good. I actually might have a, let me hold, I've got a lemon. Just the oils right across the top. And there we have the White Stallion. Cheers.
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 Wow, that's really fun.
Light, airy, fluffy.
Fluffy.
But zippy.
Kind of floral in a weird way. I don't even know how to describe it. It's really yummy.
Zippy, I like the little bit of orange in there.
This is really fun.
It is fun.
Well, this is the last cocktail or last video of this year, so.
Thank you for watching. You guys have been incredible, and you're the reason why we make these videos. So thank you very much for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this cocktail. Do check us out over at Patreon.
We will see you all in 2023.
That's right. We'll see you next year.
Honey, Freya.
Our dog is getting bigger.
I can't do it.
Happy New Year. We'll see you in 2023. Enjoy the White Stallion. Get out of here. Cheers.
Cheers.